Hello everyone. Today we are given stock prices of a given stock for n days. We have to choose days such that we can return a maximum profit. Let's get some additional information. What if there is no profit on any consecutive days? What do we return then? We will return 0 in that case. Second, what are the constraints? As you can see, these are the constraints. We will have the stock price of at least one day and the prices will always be positive. Asking these questions will guide us to understand what edge cases to consider, what loop conditions to include, etc. Let's look at how we will code the problem. The approach is greedy, which means taking the best step possible in each iteration. There are 3 variables that we track. Because we want to maximize profit, we need the minimum price for the entire array. So the logic is profit will be any price that is greater than the minimum price, which comes after we have discovered the minimum price. And we are looking for the maximum difference between these prices. So next we update the profit in each iteration and then we check if that profit is greater than any profits we have had so far. We keep doing that till we reach the end of the array and then return the maximum profit. Now, how fast is the approach when the input size is increased? The number of comparisons are increased linearly with respect to the size of the input. The time complexity is O of n. The space complexity is constant. We keep reusing the 3 variables and track the profit using that. So the space complexity is O of 1. Before we part ways, how would you solve the problem if we had to find the maximum loss? What logic would you use then? Please let me know in the comments below. Now, the usual, please like and subscribe to my channel if you found the content useful. Till then, keep finding some algorithms that can actually predict the stock market behavior